Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to download and install SteelSeries software, which is a software to use to customize your RGB keyboard on MSI laptops and MSI desktop computers. So I'm going to put the link in the description for easy access. When you download it, you install it, it's going to prompt you to reboot your system. I'm going to reboot my system right now and come back to this video. So after rebooting my system, I'm going to launch the SteelSeries software. What I have to do is to click on the top left corner where it says engine. Click on it and I'm going to see MSI per key RGB keyboard. Now open it. I'm going to see an option where you can customize your RGB keyboard to your hard intent. So that's how you download and install SteelSeries on MSI laptops or desktop computer. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.